Good afternoon, tubers. I'm just out here on Snapper Island, north of Cairns, far north Queensland in Australia. Port Douglas is over there, and we're doing a bit of a clean up here, marine debris clean up, and looking for waste, etc. That's around Snapper Island. Snapper Island is situated just outside of Daintree River within our marine parks. I had some photos to this. This is just a short video, but if you like more of these, I'd go everywhere pretty much in this country. On the eastern side of Australia, far north Queensland, I'm happy to add short videos and have a little bit of a chat. So in the previous video, which I posted, I was talking about Snapper Island and the gun impoundment. Well, I'm on Snapper Island now. This is the island that had the gun impoundment, looking after a channel which runs between this island and mainland Australia, which protected the area from the War of the Pacific, from the Japanese entry into this part of the country. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment.